Welcome back, my amazing learners. We are still learning about digital citizenship. Now, you know that being a citizen means that there are some things that you share with others and some things that you keep to yourself. So let's look at today's topic. That's private. Our topic today focuses on the word privacy. I know that you know that word, but we're going to learn more about it today. What kinds of information should I keep to myself when I use the internet? Think about it. You have so much information, like your favorite kind of ice cream, your favorite auntie or uncle, where you live, your name, date of birth. There's so much information about you. But what kinds of information should I keep to myself when I use the internet? What kinds of things should we not tell a stranger? Private. What does the word private mean? Private means something that you should keep to yourself. Now, students, this time, please don't type anything in the comments. Remember, students, that I see your responses in Google Classroom or when we are on Google Meet. So we can go through many other examples of private information there, not on YouTube. This video is just for the students who are late to our live classes and they're not able to be with us and to go through all the responses and the questions with us. So please don't type it in the comment section. Our examples have to be general examples. So if you decide to type or mommy says you can comment or daddy says you can comment, then you could type something like your birthday shouldn't be on the internet, your address shouldn't be on the internet, your full name shouldn't be on the internet, but don't give specific examples. What does the word online mean? Online means using a computer, a phone, or tablet to visit a website or app. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Okay to share, like your favorite ice cream. Not okay to share, your birthday. Okay to share, where you live. No, that's not okay to share. Okay to share your favorite cartoon. But even that depends. All right, so you can play the game of thumbs up, thumbs down to show me if it's okay to share or not okay to share on the internet. Now, there's an activity that I'm going to link in the description box. When you go to the Happy Faces Academy website and you click on the lesson, it will take you right to all the activities for this lesson. Pause and think moment. Draw an example of something that is okay to share online. Remember my example? It's okay to say that I like cookies and cream ice cream, or I like a tropical or a grape nut ice cream. You could draw that as your example of something that is okay to share, or you can make up your own example. Right. You can explain why it is important not to share private information online. Okay? So you have your activities, you know how to get to your activities. You're going to go ahead and get that done. And I can't wait to see your responses. All right. So until our next video, bye.